Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can recover your Genshin Impact account from two methods. So the first method includes going to your web browser and then typing the link genshin.mihoyo.com. I'll also have the link in the description. You can open it from there. So basically in this method, you can recover your account by recovering or resetting your forgotten password. And for this method, I have a separate video on my channel whose link will be in the description, or you can also tap the link on the top right corner of your screen right now if you want to watch that video. But today's video is for those who couldn't recover their account successfully using the first method. So to recover your account from the second method I was talking about, you'll have to send an email to Genshin Impact or Mihoyo. So go to your Gmail or any mail service provider and then compose a mail. Now you'll have to send an email to genshin_cs@mihoyo.com. So if you don't want to type that in, you can simply copy it from the description. I'll leave it in the description. So what you have to type is genshin_cs@mihoyo.com. Now in the subject, type account recovery. And where it says compose email, you'll have to type the following. Now send this mail and then you'll have to wait for them to reply. They usually reply within 1 to 2 minutes, but if they don't, send the mail again and this time they surely will. Now tap on the link account retrieval and now open it in your browser. And now you'll have to fill in all of these details such as your game UID, Mihoyo username, account registration date, registration email, registration country, region, registration city, registration platform, registration device info, how many times did you top up in Genshin Impact, payment method of first recharge, the date of your first purchase on the lost account, the item of the first purchase. After that, you'll have to upload payment receipts of the lost account, your most recent login time, most frequently used device, other information which can be used as proof of related account's ownership. Then enter a new email address which have never been used to create any Genshin Impact account. And finally, answer whether you have done any high-risk activities which might potentially cause an account lost recently. After you fill in all of these, tap submit. And then you'll have to wait for about 10 working days. After that, you'll receive another mail from Genshin Impact or Mihoyo and you'll have successfully recovered your lost Genshin Impact account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.